I'm Josh, Mark's brother.
And I'm John, Josh's friend.
Why are you putting the safety goggles on, Josh?
I thought you said we're gonna blow stuff up real good.
No, actually I said we're not going to blow stuff up real good. Sorry.
Tartar sauce!
Oh. Anyway, today we're going to talk about natural resources and man-made resources.
What's a resource?
Guys, what do I tell you when you don't know a word?
Look it up.
Alright, so we're going to wait on them to grab a dictionary, and hopefully it won't take too long.
I found it! Yay! What?
Where were you?
I was taking a nap underneath the desk.
Well, stop taking a nap. This is school time.
Okay, did you find the definition, Josh? Looks like you got the dictionary.
Yeah.
So what is it?
It says a new reserve supply that can be drawn upon when needed.
Alright, so we have resource, the definition of that is a new or reserve supply that can be drawn upon when needed. Alright, so I think there's a lot of different natural resources and man-made resources that fit that. So I think now we should kind of give some time, give some thought to the things that we use on a daily basis that match that.
I got it!
What?
Water bottle.
A water bottle is a resource? It's a natural resource or a man-made resource?
I don't know.
No, you idiot! It's water!
Oh, I don't get it.
Water? Like the water in the water bottle?
Yeah.
Oh, so what about the water?
It's a resource.
What kind of resource?
A natural resource.
A natural resource. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's right, but I think we should head out and kind of explore that and see if we're right about that. Right?
Let's go.
Let's go. We're here at Hickory Creek in Denton, Texas, and as you can see behind me here, we have a lot of water. This creek was formed naturally by erosion of rainwater, and the rainwater fell in here. As you can see by the side, it took away a lot of soil and rocks, and it's become very deep. And toward the south end, that way of the creek, it goes to Louisville Lake, where it dumps into the lake, and it's treated and processed so we can use it in our homes. So I would say that since the rainwater falls here naturally, and that the creek, which was formed naturally, collects that rainwater, then water is definitely a natural resource.
Look, Josh, it's a roll of toilet paper growing on a tree.
What?
Well, look, really, it's growing.
Toilet paper doesn't grow on trees. Oh well, take it to the lab so we're testing. But meanwhile, I'm washing my hands.
Alright, so we're back from Hickory Creek with the toilet paper that John thought was growing on a tree. And so what we're going to do is just take a look at it, examine it. I'm going to take a couple of squares myself and just kind of take a look at it. Y'all need to do the same thing, okay guys? What in the world did y'all do? I asked you to get like 2 squares.
We're just thieves.
Alright, so what we want to do with all the toilet paper that we have on the table, I need you to go ahead and take a look at it. Go ahead and tear it like I was doing here by myself over here apparently. So take a look at it. What do you think it's made of? Any ideas?
Looks like paper.
What do you think, Josh?
Whoa.
Do you
It
think
does look like paper.
Is it toilet paper?
it's toilet paper, so I guess because it has paper in the name, it kind of gives it away, right? But we had to look at it anyway because we are scientists, and science can be lumpy sometimes, right? Alright, so we have come to the conclusion that it's made of paper. Now the next question is, do you have any ideas about where paper comes from?
Trees?
I think that would be correct. So I think what we should do is go outside again and see if we can find some trees. What do you think?
Good idea.
Let's go.
Okay.
Hey kids, we're here checking out an amazing natural resource called trees, just like these. These trees are naturally grown, which means no one has to plant them, and they grow on their own. In some places, when trees are big enough, humans like us cut them down to make paper, pencils, and yes, even toilet paper. So whenever you're using a pencil, paper, or even toilet paper, think about this. Think about this.
All right, so we're back from Hickory Creek where we determined that trees are a natural resource and that they're used to make paper
Mark,
and pencils. And
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
I think we can wait, right?
No, we can't.
All right, so do you have a place where you prefer to go?
Whataburger.
Oh, hey, so we're at Whataburger trying to determine whether the food here is a natural resource or a man-made resource. So let's look at my box of food here. I have some Texas toast, some gravy, some fries, and a little bit of a chicken strip left. And just looking at the food in here, it doesn't really look like it would be something that we find in nature as a natural resource. So there are definitely some ingredients that are natural resources, but the end product, the food that's in this box, is man-made because humans had to take the ingredients, put them together, cook them, and give it to us so we can eat. So I would say it's definitely a man-made resource.
Oh my goodness.
Y'all okay?
So full.
Me too. That was a good meal though. Alright, so today we learned about two different types of resources, natural resources and man-made resources. So, John, what is a natural resource that you learned about today?
Trees.
Trees. All right, good answer. And Josh, what is a man-made resource that you learned about?
Paper.
Paper. All right. So there you have it. There's different types of resources. There's natural and man-made resources. Everywhere we look, there's the water and the paper and the trees, and there's a lot of other things that we haven't even had time to talk about today. So I would say take that information, and you can now know what's man-made and what's natural.